Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation 2 to the power of x plus x is equal to 37. So, obviously over here, we want to find the value of x. And the tricky thing about this is that we have x as both an exponent and a term. So we need to find a way to solve this while x is both an exponent and a term. So I'm going to write this right here, 2 to the power of x plus x equals 37. And I'm going to start off by subtracting x on both sides. So I get 2 to the power of x is equal to 37 minus x. Now, from here, I'm going to divide both sides by 2 to the power of x. So now these two cancel out, and I'm left with 37 minus x over 2 to the power of x is equal to 1. Now, this is the same thing as 1 over 2 to the power of x times 37 minus x is equal to 1. And 1 over 2 to the power of x is the same thing as 2 to the power of negative x. So I have 2 to the power of negative x times 37 minus x is equal to 1. Now from here, what I'm going to do is multiply both sides by 2 to the power of 37. And if I have something in the form a to the power of m times a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So these two add up, and now I get 2 to the power of 37 minus x times 37 minus x is equal to 2 to the power of 37. Now, from here, I'm going to go over something real quick. So if I have something in the form e to the power of ln of a, this is simply equal to a, because the e and ln cancel out. So let's say I have e to the power of ln of 2, this is going to equal 2. So over here, notice how I have 2. What I'm going to do is rewrite this 2 as e to the power of ln of 2. So now I get 37 minus x times e to the power of ln of 2 to the power of 37 minus x. And this is equal to 2 to the power of 37. And if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So the ln2 and 37 minus x multiply. So now I get 37 minus x times e to the power of 37 minus x times ln2 is equal to 2 to the power of 37. Now I'm going to multiply both sides by ln2. So I get ln2 times 37 minus x times e to the power of 37 minus x times ln2 is equal to 2 to the power of 37 times ln2. And the reason I'm doing this is so that I can use the W-Lambert function. So the W-Lambert function states that if I take the W of something in the form a times e to the power of a, this is simply equal to a. Now, notice over here that I have 37 ln of 2 times 37 minus x is equal times e to the power of 37 minus x times ln 2. So if I take the w of this, it should just equal ln 2 times 37 minus x, because this is a. So I'm going to take the w on both sides. So I have the w of ln 2 times 37 minus x times e to the power of 37 minus x times ln 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 37 times ln 2. And now this turns into ln of 2 times 37 minus x is equal to w of 2 to the power of 37 times ln 2. Alright, so now from here, I'm going to rewrite 2 to the power of 37 over here as 2 to the power of 32 plus 5. And if I have something in the form a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So that's going to turn into 2 to the power of 32 times 2 to the power of 5. Now 2 to the power of 5 is 32. So now I have ln of 37 minus x. Sorry, this should be ln of 2 times 37 minus x is equal to w of 32 times ln of 2 times 2 to the power of 32. And again, 2 is the same thing as e to the power of ln of 2. So now I have ln of 2 times 37 minus x is equal to w of 32 times ln of 2 times e to the power of ln of 2 to the power of 32. Which is the same thing as 32 times ln of 2, because I can move this 32 down. So this is in the form a times e to the power of a, meaning this turns into 37 minus x times ln 2 is equal to 32 times ln 2. Now these two ln 2's cancel out, so I'm left with 37 minus x is equal to 32, meaning x is equal to 5. So this is my answer to this equation.